Welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. This is a really important video for me. A lot of people have actually been asking, but you basically want to buy crypto. But let's be real. The space is full of sketchy ass platforms, scammy ass people, and way too many confusing steps. And if you're tired of all the fluff and just want a real safe step-by-step guide to buying crypto like a boss, you're in the right spot. So do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's lock in and get this figured out for you. Now, step one, you need to pick the right battlefield, which in this example would be the exchange or the DEX. Now, your first move is everything. So don't fall for these random DMs or these shady get-rich-quick apps. It's all a crappy scam. You don't need any of that. You want a battle-tested exchange with real credibility. We've got things like Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and my personal favorite is BTCC. I'm going to show you guys the exchange here. Super duper easy to use. They've got so many assets available that you can trade at any time. One thing to realize, okay, exchanges have two things. They've got futures, which allows you to use leverage, and you're kind of basically assuming the price for the future, or you can buy things like spot. Spot trading is when you're actually trading the asset on a one-to-one leverage. So just keep that in mind when you are trading. But your first step is to pick an exchange. I pick BTCC because one, they give us a $10,000 deposit bonus below. So if you are looking for a good exchange, that would be the first step. And there's also things like it's military grade security. It's got a really clean user experience. It does have a strong reputation. And it does have a mandatory two-factor authentication. It's not negotiable. If your exchange doesn't have that, it could easily get hacked, and then you're the one screwed, no one else. So you want to avoid that as much as possible. Okay, now step two, you're going to verify it like a pro. So once you've chosen your exchange, yes, KYC can feel like a hassle, but it's here to actually protect you, not just their platform. And you need to have things ready, like your government issued ID, a selfie, and sometimes proof of address. And these steps will separate you from the bots and the bad actors to that exchange. Now, BTCC does not require you to KYC, which is why I really do like it, but you can if you choose to. Okay, step three, you're going to need to get yourself a real wallet. Now, here's the hard truth. Leaving your crypto on an exchange is like storing cash in the glove box of your car. Great analogy. I hope you guys understand that. You need a real wallet. And I actually went with MetaMask and I got hacked there before, so be cautious. Trust Wallet isn't bad, but my favorite is cold storage. I always recommend all my customers and anybody I know use a Ledger or a Trezor for cold storage, and it's offline. And when they give you your recovery phrase, write that down. Do not put it on a web app. Very bad idea. Very bad idea. Okay, now old school, pen and paper, store it somewhere safe. That's going to be your lifeline. Okay, now step four, you need to fund it with confidence. So you're almost ready to buy, but first you need to load it up. Now, most of these exchanges and DEXs will accept some bank transfers, debit cards, sometimes even PayPal, but I'm really going to recommend you avoid credit cards as they come with extremely high fees and they can be flagged as cash advances. But before you deposit, you need to make sure you're on their official site and there's a lock icon on the top, right? So it's like the lock icon next to the website link. Okay, make sure you're using a private Wi-Fi, not a public office, coffee shop internet. And lastly, make sure you enable two-factor authentication immediately. Okay, now step five, make your very first buy, but start small. But yes, you should think big. This is it. It's basically the moment of truth. You want to choose your coin. Bitcoin is the OG. I love Bitcoin. Ethereum is basically for smart contract power, or just start with USDC if you're just learning the ropes. And pro tip, start really small. 10, 20, 50. When I first bought crypto, it was like $10. Get comfortable, learn your interface, and do not, I'm going to repeat this, do not YOLO all of your damn savings on one day. You're not going to dollar cost average. You're just going to be in a bad position and set yourself up for extreme failure. Okay. Now, step six, and this is the most important step, move the crypto off of an exchange, right? If you're buying at spot, you're buying the asset itself. You need to remove it so it's not just sitting on exchange. Transfer your coins from the exchange to your wallet, especially if you're going to be holding them long term. Yes, there's going to be a small network fee, but it's worth it to protect yourself from exchange hacks or account freeze. I mean, you guys saw what happened with FTX and so many more exchanges. Okay, you need to double check your wallet address because one wrong character and that crypto is gone forever and you're screwed, right? You don't want to be the one screwed on that. All right. Now, bonus tip. You need to master your taxes. We've got something called blockchain management. You can use online apps if you have a very small amount of wallets, but we really recommend you've got a report broken down of all of your DeFi, even if you're trading on exchanges. A lot of times they don't give you the full report. Shameless plug, our link is below. We are still doing some free consultations, so definitely click that below and see if we can help. Now, a quick recap for some of you speed watchers like me, right? You want to pick a trusted exchange. 2, verify your identity through the exchange. Not required if you're not putting a lot. 3, get a secured wallet. 4, deposit the funds smartly. 5, buy your crypto efficiently and safely. And 6, move it to a wallet. Simple, clean, and secure. Okay, and if you're feeling more confident about entering the crypto game, drop a comment, let me know what you think, and more importantly, click that subscribe button. It would mean the world to us. And before you go, there's a no road map to buying crypto the right way. Do not forget to let me know in the comments below which projects you guys are most interested in. Until next time, stay informed, stay prepared, and stay ahead. Peace out, everyone.